Alright, what's up everybody? This video I thought I would give a little tutorial about how to find film cameras. I see a lot of people struggling to find film cameras, and even if they do find film cameras, they struggle to find film cameras that work. We're going to run through a couple of options to make finding a film camera super easy for you. And I'm bringing Seth. Alright, I forgot to throw this one in here, but this is the best way to find a film camera, the cheapest way. You gotta ask your family, you gotta ask your parents, your aunt, your grandma, your grandpa, whoever. These things aren't rare, okay? Somebody in your family has had one because all of your childhood pictures had to come from somewhere. So ask around, and odds are they will have one that they are willing to give you. Okay, our first option to find a film camera is a thrift store. We're at Value Village today. Usually there's a little bit of an electronics section, and sometimes they have film cameras.
Yes, and they also have good clothes if you're wanting to look for clothes as well.
Alright, Value Village was a bust today. We only saw like one digital camera and then like a film projector and a flash. Yeah. But Value Village is not always a bust, alright? I got this Konica Big Mini at Value Village once, point and shoot, for $2 and like 75 cents or something.
And how much were they originally?
On eBay they're like $300.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So you just gotta be lucky, I guess. Seth got a good come up at the Value Village today.
Got a bunch of clothes.
Yeah, what'd you get?
Got a windbreaker that's yellow.
It's actually cool. Dope, yeah.
Cool. Got 3 pairs of pants and a cool flannel. So.
Alright, we're at a flea market, and I think that we might be able to find a booth with cameras. I feel like that's often something that you can find at flea markets. And Seth has to poop.
Yep.
Yeah. You got it? Alright, the flea market was a success. There were so many cameras there, and if there's a flea market around you and you find a booth like that, I'm sure the person that works in the booth will be more than willing to help you find a camera that works and is in your budget. We didn't buy any cameras because we already have cameras, and I don't want to end up like that guy with so many cameras that I have to have a booth at the flea market. But Seth did buy a lens. Seth, show him the lens you bought. Seth bought this little Canon FD mount 28 mil, which is good because he doesn't have any wide angle lenses except for one that's like a 28 to 80, and it's super big. So that'll be nice and compact for him to bring out.
Use it a lot, probably. We'll see.
Yeah, 28 mil is a great focal length.
Focal.
We also bought a lot of fruits and vegetables because we've both been slacking on eating fruits and veggies. Seth, show him what a lychee looks like. Not that one, a fresh one.
That's what a lychee looks like, everybody.
Wow.
It's like a tiny weird, like prickly cherry. That's what it looks like. And then you peel it off, and yeah.
Delicious.
The last way, if you've exhausted all your other options, is to look on online forums like Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Craigslist. Those you're going to find a little bit of a cheaper option than if you were to go straight to eBay. eBay is like a marked up price for film cameras. If you want to get a good one that you're 100% sure is going to work and you're super down with paying a lot of extra money for it, then go to eBay. But you can find a ton of cameras on trading forums. Just the other week we picked up Seth Canon FTB, 2 lenses and a whole kit for $50, completely working. Even the battery was working, which is insane. So they're out there, okay? Alright, I think that's all the ways that you can find a film camera. Obviously, probably others like you stumble across one at a garage sale or whatever, but that's not an easy way to do it. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that we were able to help you find a film camera, or at least set you out on an adventure to find one. More life and blessings, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.